chanting the name is not a mechanical thing. It's a process. So we need the blessings of our chariots. So before we begin our chanting, we must offer our respectful obeisances to the spiritual master, to the 6 Goswamis, to Tulsi Devi. Mentally invoke their presence to help us chant the name. That means we have to pray. Prayer. My Lord, Harinam Prabhu, please be merciful to me. I beg you, please be merciful. We can follow all the recommendations. We can follow all the recommendations of the scripture given by our Acharya. We can follow them, and we should follow them very carefully. Please, we should take this understanding. We should follow them very carefully. Still, the name will descend when Krishna wants. When the sadhus are pleased with us. That is why we should surrender to them. We should surrender.